For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about the World Health Organization's latest comments regarding the COVID-19 pandemic across the world. Now, the World Health Organization's Director General Tedros Adhanom said that the world is in a new and dangerous phase of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is what he said.
The pandemic is accelerating. More than 150,000 new cases of COVID-19 were reported to WHO yesterday, the most in a single day so far. Almost half of those cases were reported from the Americas, with large numbers also being reported from South Asia and the Middle East. The world is in a new and dangerous phase. Many people are understandably fed up with being at home. Countries are understandably eager to open up their societies and economies. But the virus is still spreading fast. It is still deadly, and most people are still susceptible.
Tedros Adhanom also said that the COVID-19 cases across the world are spreading at an accelerated speed. All of these statements by the World Health Organization are not without context. As countries all over the world are easing their lockdown restrictions, the number of cases are only spiking. A few countries have been successful in bringing down the number of COVID-19 cases and flattening the curve. But even some of the countries like China, South Korea, and even for that matter New Zealand are seeing a spike in number of cases or are reporting new COVID-19 cases as societies get on with their normal life. Moreover, just in the recent time, Italy in its new study has revealed that probably the coronavirus was circulating in the country much before the first few official cases were reported in February. The latest study by Italy's National Institute of Health has revealed that SARS coronavirus 2, the virus responsible for causing the COVID-19 disease, this has been based on the study of samples taken from wastewater of that of December 2019 from the cities of Milan and Turin. Now, these samples tested positive for COVID-19 virus traces. Italy reported its first few COVID-19 cases in February 2020, and it went under lockdown by March. We also need to note that December was the month when China also reported its first few COVID-19 cases, which were then mysterious pneumonia cases when the World Health Organization itself was alerted upon. So if what Italy has found is indeed true, then it is a matter of concern that probably the world missed out on the spread of the novel coronavirus during its initial stages. Now, according to the Worldometer, the United States still ranks first among the countries worst affected by COVID-19. United States has recorded more than 2 million or 20 lakh COVID-19 cases so far. It is followed by Brazil, which has docked more than 10 lakh COVID-19 cases or more than 1 million COVID-19 cases, and just as of Friday, Brazil also reported a daily spike in the number of cases with more than 50,000 COVID-19 cases. Brazil is followed by Russia, which has reported more than 5 lakh COVID-19 cases. However, Russia has also been accused of underreporting of COVID-19 cases. India ranks 4th in the countries worst affected by COVID-19 pandemic. India has reported more than 3 lakh COVID-19 cases, and just as of Friday in the last 24 hours, India too reported a single highest spike in a single day's time with more than 14,000 new COVID-19 cases. Now, what does the increasing number of COVID-19 cases mean? It might also mean that countries are now testing more. As has India. India has tested more than 1 lakh COVID-19 samples in just the past 24 hours, and that's a feat in itself. It also means that the backlog of the COVID-19 samples which were yet to be tested are being cleared by several countries now. And also because lockdowns across the world are being eased and societies are getting on with their normal life. You can leave in the comment section down below what you think about the World Health Organization's latest comments over the COVID-19 pandemic. Also like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital.